Here's my 6 steps on how to throw the rear hook, which is the number 4. We start in our boxing stance. Every punch starts from our right foot. We're throwing right hand punch. Our knee and hip want to line up. So step 2, knee, hip, line up. Right shoulder in front. Okay, knee, hip in line, right shoulder in front. Step 3, punch follows a rotation. So it comes behind, so we can use all that power that comes up the chain. It doesn't lead the punch. Step 4, long range, thumb up. Short range, palm down. Step 5, left hand protects, right shoulder protects. And step 6, we always come back to our original boxing stance. So that's my 6 steps on how to throw the rear hook.